Welcome to Deal Breakers. Hey, you guys ready, man? We're about to unleash deal breakers on you June 20th with my sales director, Dave Coble, man. We're gonna have a blast. Between now and then, I need you to think about something. What is that one thing? Because I need help. What should our topic be for our first Deal Breaker show dropping June 20th on a Wednesday at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time? What's that one thing that is keeping you from making the sale, closing the sale? What's that one deal breaker that's holding you back from closing the sales that you know you should close? What's that one sale, that one story, that one appointment, that one call that keeps you up at night because you weren't able to close it, man? You weren't able to get the deal done. What has happened in the past where you don't get sleep, man, because it bothers you. It eats you up inside. What's that one thing that's holding you back from closing the deal? We're going to get into deal breakers and all the different deal breakers, everything insurance-wise, sales-wise, that keeps you from making sales. Those little things that are holding you back. Those big things that are keeping you from your goals. We are going to touch on all of them. Between now and then, I need you to think about what are those deal breakers in your life, in my life, in Dave's life, that are keeping you, in DJ's life, that are keeping you from closing the deal. Those things that are holding you back. Dude, we're gonna address them. We're gonna come at them strong. We're gonna hit it head on. How about this set, man? I'm excited and jacked for June 20th. Wednesday, June 20th. 2 weeks and 2 days. A couple weeks, 2 p.m. Central. We're gonna drop it strong. We're gonna bring the heat. What's those things that are holding you back? Dude, we gotta remedy those. We gotta fix those. That's what Deal Breakers is all about.